Total war happened in issue from Bombing County. Not here. Thank God. Oh, we're lucky. We almost got hit. Not here. They didn't say Treacle County. They say Bombing throughout the county. It's county most of us. But the good news, it might hit us. Because we're on the severe thunderstorm watch right now. Plus I just woke up.
Yeah, that's the hell away you woke up here.
Twice.
That's twice. Alright, next part. Where's my shoes?
Oh, if you don't want to do work.
It didn't say Treacle County.
I love you very much. And I want to make you happy.
I said God every time I woke up. You know that?
I take you as my
Oh, they have speech issues.
forever.
We're on the severe thunderstorm right now. We got a storm. We got. I'm not that scared. So I don't come to my attic that well.
It's just rotation in the clouds, dude. It's not on the ground.
Well, sometimes. Remember October 24th, 2001, it was on the ground. Remember that?
I love you.
Come on, let's sock.
If that came down for a minute, you'd be a little more helpful.
Go home, let's sock.